In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on Facebook Messenger. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. First, open Messenger. On most phones, you will see the blue chat bubble icon with a small lightning bolt in the center. Tap that icon once. The app will open to your main chat list, which usually shows your profile picture at the top, a search bar, and a list of recent conversations below. If you are asked to sign in, use your Facebook account details, then you should land on that same chat list screen. When you see the list of names and profile pictures, you are in the right place to move on. Now, open the conversation. Look through your chat list and find the person or group you want to message. Their name will appear on the left with a small preview of your last message on the right and the time or date beside it. Tap anywhere on that row one time. The screen will change to show the full conversation history with that contact, including your older messages and theirs stacked as bubbles. Your messages usually appear on one side, often in a different color from the messages you receive. At the very bottom of this screen, you will see an empty text box and some small icons next to it. Next up, type your message. Tap once inside the text box at the bottom of the conversation. Your keyboard should slide up from the bottom of the screen. You can now start entering your message using the on-screen keys. As you type, you will see each word appear in the text box, so you can quickly check for spelling or tone before sending. Many phones offer suggestions above the keyboard, which you can tap to finish a word faster. If you make a mistake, use the backspace key to correct it. Take a moment to read your text in the box, since once it is sent, the other person can usually see it right away. After that, tap Send. On most versions of Messenger, the Send button appears to the right of the text box. It often looks like a small paper airplane icon and may be gray before you type, then turns a brighter color once there is text ready to send. Tap that icon once. Your message will move from the text box into the conversation area as a new chat bubble. You may see a small sending indicator, then one or more tiny check marks under your message, which show that it has been delivered or seen depending on the icon. You have now opened Messenger, selected an existing chat, typed your text, and sent a message successfully. If this walkthrough helped you send your first Messenger message, please give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple guides like this.